everyone, welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic that most of you are asking. What is KC90 and will it be beneficial for me if I take the course? So I will be answering each and every doubt that you might have about the course KC90, which is currently available for purchase. You can click on the link given in the description and purchase your own course. So the first question that you might have is, why should I join the KC90? Because of our past track record. Okay, so if you see the previous students, those who have taken our courses, they actually came within 1000 rank, and some of them are within 5000 rank, and they did brilliantly. So we have a very good track record. So if you are a part of KC90, you are in a very good hands, and if you don't take this course, then you will definitely miss out later on. There will be a challenge from all the way, and after your boards are over, then you will realize, had I taken KC90, I would have been a very good place by now. So don't wait for last minute, take the KC90 course now. Here is the result of our COMEDK batch students. They also did excellently well. As you can see, within 5000 6000 rank, there are a lot of students, and we are showing only few of them in our slides, and they also came and meet with us in our office. Now let us discuss what you will get if you purchase KC90. First of all, class 11 and 12 complete syllabus coverage. You will get chapter wise PYQs with solution. You will get chapter wise DPPs. You will get live doubt classes. You will get all the lectures in lecture notes PDF format that you can download. Also, you will get exclusive WhatsApp community access, and you will also get access to the Q2 board test series, and Abhyas, KCET and COMEDK test series both will be available for you for absolutely no extra cost. Right, now let's move on to the next part, the course schedule. So if you see that courses are starting from November 1. Okay, if you can see, courses will start from November 1 and it will continue, and we do not have classes every day. We are going to give you some breaks in between as well, so that you can complete. If you miss out on some classes, you can complete that as well. And every day there will be only one subject, one lecture that will include one short lecture, KCET PYQs and COMEDK PYQs. If you have taken the complete course, you will get everything in one day. You have to complete. If you are not completing, we will be providing you enough time to complete the entire course. Don't worry, and it will be available from November 1st. Now, where can you get this access? You have to go to Deeksha Vedantu app, and from there you can get the access. There will be it is available in web page as well. From wherever you want, you can access it from web page, from app as well. We recommend Android for app access, and web browser, any browser you can use. Now, what is the price of KC90? If you see that the total price of KC90 is 9999, but if you are someone who is not super interested to invest this much amount, you only want the KC90 KCET course, then KCET course is priced at 5999, and if you are only interested in COMEDK course, then COMEDK course is available for 5999 again. Combining both of them, you will get 9999 only. And whatever future course that we are going to launch in our channel till 2026 exam, you will get that access absolutely for free. No extra cost, no hidden cost is there. Abhyas KCET series, in fact in future crash course, everything will be available to you absolutely at no extra cost. Now, if you then after studying everything, what will happen? If you feature in, when your results are out, you will have exclusive meetup with us, all the teachers, and we'll have a fun for one whole day. With this note, I'd like to conclude this video, and if you have any doubts, any questions, please don't forget to mention that in the comment section of this video.